Everyone, this is Johnny here. So in today's video, we're actually going to be unboxing this particular wireless earbud from LENOVO Thinkplus LivePods XT88. At the back, the earbuds can be lasted for about 4 hours. Charging time is actually another 1.5 hours. For the casing itself, it's about 250 milliampere and the charging time is about 1.5 hours. Other than that, there's actually not much information about this earpiece, so let's get to it. It's just a very simple, very thin plastic holder, and in the middle you actually see the earbuds itself in like a semi-translucent white color casing, and then charging cable, which is like USB-A to USB-C, user guide, so it's in 2 languages, Mandarin, and then at the back would be English. Silicone tips, additional silicone tips of different sizes. I think this is small and large, maybe installed in the earpiece itself is actually medium. So this is what we have here. Oh, it's not even sealed, it's just folded. That's very nice. Wow, it's very, very shiny. Grey in color, very shiny with the name itself, Thinkplus. And there's a dot here at the bottom. You see actually a USB-C charging port. At the back, the company name Lenovo. That's it. Let's open it up. So when you open up, you'll see that the earbuds are inside. Similarly as casing itself is actually shiny, very, very shiny and glossy. But it's a little bit different. The color inside is actually black instead of following the casing itself. And the interior, the casing is actually black color as well. So as you can see here, this is actually the left earpiece. So there's actually a very faint L here. Very short stem. Lenovo company name printed onto it. The stem itself is slightly oval. It's the ear tip covered with the silicone seal. Remove it. Oh, it's actually quite easy to remove the silicone seal actually. Not much, very clean, very simple design. Quite like it. Okay, let's put it on. It's quite easy to put on. The short stem makes it quite easy. It acts like a lever to like wiggle the earbuds when I'm actually trying to get the most comfortable fit. This is a little bit like it's a shorter version of the Apple AirPods Pro. As with all new earbuds, I always have to charge it up first. So I have a USB-C cable here. Let's plug it in at the bottom and see what happens. So immediately you will see a red flashing light indicating it's actually charging. But alright, so you can see here there's a blue light. So let's leave it to charge and then we'll come back and see what happens when it's actually fully charged. Alright everyone, so after charging for about 1.5 hours, close to 2 hours, it actually stops blinking and is now actually a full red color. That means it's actually 100% charged. Alright guys, so let me showing you how to actually do the Bluetooth pairing of the Thinkplus LivePod LP19 with an Android phone. So what I have with me here is actually the Samsung Galaxy Flip 3. First thing to do, click on the phone, unlock it, go into the settings, the Bluetooth, make sure you switch on, and you do the scanning here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip open the lid. This is to check if the earbud actually has quick pairing. So you can see after a moment of few scanning, there's nothing. So what I need to do next is take out the earbuds, scan again. And you can see that after you take out the earbuds, you're able to see this XT88. Tap on that. You see pair. And it's done. So the next thing I want to do here is actually to go into the test of the music. Currently, let's see what's the audio level. It's around 50%. Right, first thing I want to do is just to test out the audio. So do let me know if you can actually hear anything. Just for your information, the distance of this particular camera that's actually filming this overhead shot, alright, the built-in camera on my iPhone 12 mini is about 30 to 40 centimeters away from the earbuds here. So do let me know if you can actually hear the audio pretty clearly from the built-in microphone, alright, of the iPhone 12 mini. Let me down the audio. Around back to 50%. I'm going to wear it right now. Ooh, nice. Okay, I'm going to start right from the beginning again. Nice, the bass is there. You can hear the clap very clearly. Vocal wise, because it's actually a male voice, it's very forward, very clear. Just waiting for the female voice to come in. Female voice is also good as well. Let me try a different soundtrack. This is a bit like a rock. The bass is pretty minimum, but let me crank it up. This is at 80%. Let's go somewhere to 100%. Even at 100%, the audio tuning is still good. There's no cracking or weird artifact noise in the background. It's not so harsh. I still find it very comfortable to hear it at maximum volume. Let's move it down. Previous song. It's more of a pop song. The string instruments in the beginning of the first couple of seconds is very clear. This one's a lot of guitar. And you can hear 2 different sets of guitar on the left and right channel. There's some basic audio separation. What's my quick review on this is that would I recommend it? Yes, I mean, this is actually good for anyone who actually wants a decent, no frills audio enjoyment. Alright, I think this is a very decent pair of basic wireless earbuds. Not only that, it has in-ear so it actually gives you a very good seal. You can actually, it enhances your like audio enjoyment. So this is actually a very good basic pair of wireless earbud, the XT88, for like audiobooks, or you want to look at audio files, or you just want to listen to like commentary videos, or even like music. These are very good. Okay, so there you hear it from me. This is actually my quick review of the Thinkplus LivePod XT88. My name is Johnny. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.